Hello and welcome back to Scale JDM Reviews. And on the bench today you can see that we have the Advan Racing RS-DF 19-inch alloy wheels. These are manufactured by Aoshima and is the first set of single piece wheels that I've actually reviewed so far. The previous two reviews were done on split rim alloys. So let's have a quick look at the box. So there we go. On the back, as usual, we have the description of the wheels, polycap, how it fits onto the tyre, and also how to put the decals on. And there is a quick close-up of the decals there. But shall we see what it looks like for real? First of all, we can see we have the decals here. I'm just going to take these out of the packet. And there we go. These are very detailed decals. Some of them are actually too small for me to read. But we have some silver, white and black Yokohama, silver, white and black Advan, and some silver, white and black Enki. We've got some Advan Racing there, and I'm not entirely sure what those ones actually say because they're tiny, tiny writing. Next up we have the tyres and the set of polycaps. So these are very, very low profile 19-inch tyres. The tread is nicely detailed on there. These are not the Kiwami tyres, they are normal straight edge tyres. So they won't help the car have that kind of ultra low stance like the Kiwami ones do have. This is one of the older style tyres. And trusty polycaps. And next up we have the wheels themselves. And these do look actually quite spectacular in plated chrome. So I'm just going to open this packet here like that. There we go. And take that out. They are actually nicely dished as well. They do look to be all the same size. There's no front and rear staggered dish here. But they are quite nicely detailed as a single piece wheel, and I think they would look pretty stunning on most cars that you'd put them up against, to be honest. If we try and bring that in a bit closer, if you did the centre of those maybe a clear gold or something like that, it would just make them stand out a little bit more. Obviously you've got the space in the middle there for the decals as well, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one of the tyres on to one of these wheels here while it's on there, so you can see what it looks like with the tyre on. And to be honest, that actually looks really spectacular. That looks lovely. The tyres aren't too chunky. They're proper elastic band, as I would have said in my youth. There are various applications for these wheels. Obviously you can put them on Evos, Skylines, things like that. I'm not too sure I would put them on a VIP car myself. But I can see that they probably would work quite well. But a few applications there. You could even go retro mod on a couple of odd Celikas or something. They would suit anything. They're pretty versatile wheels. So there you have it. In the flesh, the Advan Racing RS-DFs. They were a lot nicer than I expected them to be, if I'm quite honest. Obviously on the front they are in a kind of polished steel colour. With a polished rim, so they are kind of two-toned, but the ones in the box are chromed, as you can see, chrome plated, and as with anything in chrome plate, it looks fantastic. But yeah, definitely a nice addition to the collection. That anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this review, and you've got to see what you wanted to see on these wheels, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much.